So what do we mean by humanizing the authoring experience? Our vision is actually to humanize the world, and we use technology to do so. Many people are confused when we talk about that because they often see them as two different things. Now imagine if you can take your personality, your funny jokes, your sense of humor, or in my case, your lame jokes, and bring that into the learner experience when you curate. And so at any point in time, if you were doing it face to face, at some point you might give a quote to inspire your learners, or you might give a high five and a word of encouragement, or you might give a video or a jiffy to get people to laugh. Gnowbe was designed, and our whole web editorial experience was designed for you to bring your personality to life in the platform. So if you feel like telling a joke, tell a joke. If you want to encourage your learners, please do so. If you want to create stories and use storytelling to illustrate your point, absolutely. The whole platform was designed to actually bring you, the human, to life and have technology support that, not replace it.